Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. In this quick video, I'm going to be showing you how to buy the Millions token on your Trust Wallet application step by step. And all you need to do is open up your Google Chrome by clicking on it. The link to this coinmarketcap.com will be pasted in the description of the video, so you look out for that. As you can see, the Millions token that's the Million token is listed or is ranked 4,838 on the official CoinMarketCap listing. You can see it's built on the Ethereum network mainly, but if you click on this arrow right here, you're led to the smart chain and the Polygon addresses that it also contains. For the purpose of this video, and because Trust Wallet is actually native to the smart chain network, because of this video, we're going to be clicking on BNB Smart Chain, that's BEP20. We will copy this address. And once you've copied it, we'll minimize, head over to our Trust Wallet application. The toggle at the top right corner is what we'll be making use of. You click on that. You paste the wallet address. And as you can see, after pasting the wallet address, as you can see, we have the Millions token here. You activate it and you can see its price, $2 per one. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to be purchasing this Millions token. By simply heading over to the DApp section, you can get this token and you open up PancakeSwap.finance. That's the exchange platform we're going to be making use of. You simply give PancakeSwap.finance some time to load in. Your balance on your BNB is going to be shown as well. And in order to see that balance, your wallet has to be connected, meaning it has to show disconnect. In your case, it might not be connected. So you simply click on Connect Wallet, which will be in the place of this disconnect right here. And once that's done, once your wallet is connected, you head over to the cake, that's this cake option. Paste the address we just copied. It brings up the coin, that's the Millions token. You click on import. Click on I understand, click on import again. And we're going to be exchanging our BNB, that's $2 worth of BNB, or any other token which you might have in your possession, be it BUSD, the Trust Wallet token. Any token built on the smart chain network can be used for this transaction. For the purpose of this video, we're going to be using $0.0665, yes, 0.065. That's $2 worth of USD. Click on swap. You click on confirm swap. The smart contract call comes up for a network fee of 38 BNB, 0.38. Click on approve. And once it's done, you add the Millions coin to your Trust Wallet. You close. You head back to your wallet menu. Once at the tokens menu, you reload. And boom, your Millions token is made available to you. Alright guys, that's how you can simply buy the Millions token on your Trust Wallet application. If you have any questions concerning how to go about this, comment down below and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.